Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lecture, let's understand what is filter transformation, how filter transformation help us in ETL flow. So basically, filter transformation used to filter rows based on condition. So whatever conditions we specified in filter transformation, if any record satisfied that particular condition, that particular record goes to next transformation. If it is not satisfied, then that particular record get dropped. Now let's understand how this beta filter transformation work. Okay, so this is actual working logic for filter transformation. First, source data enter into filter transformation. Then once data enters into filter transformation, first it check the filter condition. It means it evaluate row by row. If any row satisfied that particular condition, then that particular record become a true. That particular record goes to next transformation or next target. If any record comes under false, that particular record get rejected. Okay, so this is basic working logic of filter transformation. Now I will show you one simple example. Same example we implemented in ETL flow. So this is my employees data. I have some employee ID information, name information, department information, salary. Now I will filter based on department wise. First condition is this one. After I will mention based on salary. Based on these two condition, I will filter the data. So here once you apply this filter condition in filter transformation, so here based on this data only this particular condition, this particular record gets satisfied. Now see, only this department is IT and salary greater than 60,000. Only one particular employee having greater than 60,000 salary. So only this particular record goes into target. I will show you practically how we can build this particular logic in ETL flow by using filter transformation. So for this one, go to data integration service. So here already I open this particular folders. So now click on new. Now go to mappings. So before creating mapping, first understand how our source data looks like. Go to database. So this is my source data. I already created this table with the data. I have three records. Okay, and names and department information and salary details. So now I want to load only department equal to ID and salary greater than 60,000. Only that particular record gets loaded into target. So this is my target table. So I already created this structure. So here my source is ready and target structure also ready. Now go to data integration. Okay, so create mapping. Choose this particular mappings. Click on create. How this particular pop-up generate? Click on new. Once you open working folder, go to mappings, select mapping, click on create. Now we are in this particular page. First we need to provide mapping name here, m underscore filter transformation example. Okay, first we need to select the source here. Okay, go to source. So click on the connection. So I already created this connection. Select the particular connection, then select object. So my source table name is emp underscore src. Same thing we are selected here, emp underscore src. Click on ok. Now my source is ready. So it takes some time to load that particular data. Okay, so let's wait for 1 minute. Okay, now this source data gets selected. So now we need to introduce filter transformation here. Click on three dots. So choose filter. Okay, so if you know icon names, directly you can select here itself. Just drag and drop. Okay, so this way also we can include filter transformation in ETL flow. So once you include in filter transformation, go to filter tab here. Now click on this plus icon. So once you click on plus icon, automatically whatever filter condition we need, that particular filter conditions we can provide under this filter condition tab. Click on plus icon. Now whatever fields exist in this particular source table, all this particular field information available here. Click on this drop down. See, four columns available, all that particular four columns information available. So first I will filter based on department, right? Select that particular department, equal to, then provide value equal to IT. So this is one condition. So next condition is based on salary wise, we will filter, right? Select that particular field, then select greater than, where is greater than 60,000. Okay, so in my filter transformation, having these two filter condition, first check this condition. If any record matches based on this department, select that particular record. Again, it check this condition. If any record matches this particular condition greater than 60,000, that particular record also gets filtered out. So if both condition matches, then only that particular record goes to target. Okay, so this is our filter condition criteria. Now go to target. So select target. First we need to choose this particular target table here. Okay, so first select connection, then choose this particular object. emp underscore tct is my object name. Select. So this is one tgt underscore emp or emp underscore tgt. emp underscore tgt is my target table name. Click on OK. Now next step is we need to provide field mapping source to target. So now go to field mappings, then field we to drag one by one. Okay, then click on save. Once field mapping is ready, just click on save. Once you save, first you need to select this mapping name. Okay, select anywhere here. Okay, then go to new mapping task here. Provide name, mapping task followed by mapping name. Then choose runtime environment. Click on next. Okay, now validate. Now see this particular mapping configuration task is valid. Now click on save. So once you configure all these details, click on run option. Now go to monitor. Now see initially it is starting status. After it's going for running status. Then it's loaded into, now it's turned into succeeded status. See one row get processed. Now go to target table, run this particular query. See, so based on this particular filter condition, whatever conditions we provide inside this particular filter transformation, that particular record gets loaded into target. So here department is IT, so that one is satisfied. But actual source we have three records, only one record get. Okay, first it check this department. So here two records are selected. After that it check salary condition. So here greater than 60, only one record get fetched, right? So here greater than 60, only this record satisfied. So that's why in target table only this particular record gets loaded. So based on this filter condition, okay, so this way we use filter transformation in ETL flows.